Hi and welcome back to another video. So today I am going to teach you how to boost your posts on your Instagram. So first you will need to convert your profile to a business profile. So ensure that your Instagram account is set up as a business profile, and if you haven't already done so, you can go to your profile and tap on the three horizontal lines on the top corner to open the menu, and then you can select the settings and privacy, and then you can scroll down, and on the part of for professionals, you can see the account type and tools. You can click on that, and then from there, tap on the switch to professional account and follow the prompts to set up your business profile. So next is to choose a post to boost. So select a post from your Instagram profile that you want to boost. So it can be an existing post or a new one you create specifically for promotion. So next is to tap on the promote. So below the selected post, you will find a button labeled promote, and tap on it to proceed with promoting your post. Next is to select your objective. So Instagram will present you with different objectives to choose from. Common options include get more profile visits, or reach more people, or get more website visits. So select the objective that aligns with your promotion goal. Next is to define your audience. So specify the audience you want to target for your boosted post. You can choose from options such as location, the age, gender, interests, and more. Because Instagram also provides the option to create a custom audience based on your specific requirements. Next is to set your budget and duration. So determine the budget you want to allocate for your promotion and the duration you want the post to be boosted. So you can set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. You can choose the number of days you want the promotion to run. So lastly is you need to review and confirm. So Instagram will display a summary of your promotion details, including the estimated reach and engagement, and you need to review the information carefully to ensure it is accurate. So if everything looks good, tap on the promote to finalize and launch your promotion. So once your post is boosted, it will reach a wider audience beyond your existing followers, helping you increase visibility and engagement. So you may need to receive insights and data on the performance of your boosted post, allowing you to evaluate its effectiveness. So please note that the availability and options for promoting posts on Instagram may vary depending on your location and account settings. So that is all for this video, and I hope you learned something. And if you did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the notification bell button so you won't miss any video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of the day. Bye bye.